DIY. It's a popular term for do-it-yourself projects like renovating your bathroom or fixing up your garden. And if you're looking on the internet for estate planning advice, you may have read this is also something you can DIY. While online services claim that you can create your estate plan on the web for much less than you would pay for an attorney, there are significant drawbacks to drafting your papers through a bot. Most importantly, you lose out on legal advice and knowledge that attorneys would be able to provide. Florida estate planning attorney Gierach Gierach says, when you create an estate plan online yourself, you're taking full responsibility for understanding the questions and your answers. Plus, the language used in the documents has to be correct. Failure to use proper vocabulary and the correct terms can make your dispositions not enforceable and can void your estate plan. Estate planning is complicated, especially if you aren't familiar with all of the aspects that go into it. Why leave something so important to a DIY online form when the advice of an experienced estate planning attorney can prove to be invaluable? A legacy of experience, a foundation of integrity. Gierach and Gierach are there when you need them most.
For more information, please visit GierachLaw.com.